good as they bump and grind to the turn 4. Look for the kitchen action there. Number 8 is going to hit the 6. Next year, hit to the 67, even though he isn't good. Down front straightaway comes a pair of vehicles. Watch turn 1. Turn 1. Think about it for a while. The 66 I can't believe the 84.
These guys are on fire over there.
Holy cow. Nick Ritter must have done something to that engine. Yes, it is. Okay. The 66 still being shown as the race leader as well. Here comes the 81. Sitting in turn 1. Here comes the 63. The 63 is not going to allow him to sit there. And he's not going to be able to line up the tag. The 66 down the front straightaway is in race 4. The 84 trying to collect some real estate. But he's having trouble steering him into where he goes. Somebody just got started. Let's see what happens. Damaging going to try to block the 66. But a little touch to the side. That'll take care of that. We've got several cars out there moving. The 87. The 87. 66 going to get by. Very nicely done. Orange Crush. Great driving right there by Ron Terakowski. He's been out of the front more than a few times. All right, Damaging lining up again. The 87, the 81. Man, it is a 3-on-1 game right now. The 66 done by Ron Terakowski is being sworn. As all 4 Damaging cars are now out. Look at turn 2 to 63. Coming back to life. And Tom the Brickman Lewis is a good guy to have come back to life. In reverse, Mr. Terakowski. Wow. Ron Terakowski is just holding the entire Damaging team. Unbelievable.
He died. Oh no, he started.
He's got 2 laps to go. Damaging trying to formulate a game plan. Here comes the number 87. He's looking back at the back straightaway. Turn 2. He's going to line up. Is Ron going to allow him or is he going to try to avoid it? This gets turned into a game plan. But now Ron can get there. What are you shooting out of that car back in turn 3? Look at this. The 87 is going to try to line up against the 66 again. The 84 moving once again. Nick Ritter going to try to help his buddy out. Terakowski just like a cat and mouse. Look out! Nice little front end hit, but that ain't going to do much for Sally. In reverse, he's going to put some top in his face. Look at him go! And even I didn't see that one coming to the last minute. But the 66 is still going. Wow. Somebody's going to have to buy Ron Terakowski a beer later because he is really showing him how this is game. I haven't seen one like this yet. We've been doing this for a while. They have now pinned each other. We haven't had to do a countdown in a long time either. The 66 looks like it's on play. Everybody's in one place. Let's see what they're going to do.